Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Firefox, open the menu and go to Settings, then find Network Settings. Once done, click the button labeled Network Settings to reveal proxy options. Make sure you already have the proxy host, port, and any credentials typed somewhere ready to paste. You do this now because configuring with the correct values prevents connection loops. While you're here, decide whether to use System Proxy or manual entry, so the next steps apply directly to your chosen method. Now you configure details. Choose Manual Proxy Configuration and type the proxy host and port for HTTP and SSL, or choose SOCKS v5 if the service supports it. When using SOCKS, make sure to enable remote DNS so DNS lookups go through the proxy, otherwise you may leak requests. Enter username and password if required, then click OK to save. Once saved, open a private window and load a simple site to verify the browser uses the proxy rather than a cached route. To finish, toggle the proxy setting off and on, switch between no proxy, use system proxy, and manual to confirm which mode works. If pages don't load, recheck the proxy host, port, and credentials, then ensure your firewall or corporate VPN isn't blocking the connection. If DNS seems wrong, enable SOCKS Remote DNS or try another proxy. When stuck, restart Firefox and test the proxy on a different network or device. This isolates browser-specific problems and reveals if the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.